Hey guys, my name is Rashid and I welcome you all to my channel called Detailing. I've been cleaning and detailing cars for quite some time now, and I thought it would be cool to share my thoughts with you guys by starting my own channel. A few weeks ago I started thinking about the early days when I purchased my first car and wanted to clean it. I had no knowledge whatsoever about how to clean a car, what products to buy and how to use them. There was no YouTube or other training methods, and most importantly, I did not have a lot of cash to spend on detailing. So I got this idea. Why not make a couple of videos for all of you who are on a tight budget and just want to learn how to clean your own car? So I hope you will enjoy these videos, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. So for my first video I went out and bought myself some products and tools for a small budget. In this video I will explain what tools and products I bought. In my next videos I will start to use them. So what is a tight budget? Well, everything you see on the table right now should be easily affordable for any car owner. Because what I paid for all of this is just about 20 euros. And with today's currency, that's about $22 to $23. This set should be enough to clean and detail your car. So what did I buy? Let's see. We'll start off with all the tools. Back in the days you could only buy a regular sponge. These days we have wash mitts. Why do I prefer a wash mitt? Well, in my opinion, the wash mitt cleans a lot better than your average sponge. And second, the wash mitt goes over your hand, making it a lot harder to accidentally drop it on the ground and get it dirty. This particular wash mitt has two sides. One side has small, let's call it fingers, and is a little rough, and one side has a finer structure. What side you prefer is up to you, but we'll test it out in the next videos and I'll give you my thoughts. Like with all tools, it will be a matter of getting to know the tool and see if it matches what you expect from it. If it works, great. If it doesn't, you might have to look for an alternative. Next up are the brushes. So I bought two brushes. The first one is a wheel brush. You basically use the brush to clean your wheel. Not only on the front side, but also inside the barrel. People often forget to clean the barrel, but once you start doing that, you will see the difference. And others will too. It will definitely give your car that extra clean look. The other brush can be used for a variety of things. I will mainly use it to clean up fabric inside our interiors. Brushes are great tools for any detailer. Once you start using brushes, you will see the difference it makes. It has the ability to really go into the tiny spaces and pores and really clean that surface. Now, one item everyone should have in their home, no matter what cleaning action you're going to perform, is microfiber towels. I bought these 5 towels for less than 2 euros. They come in different colors, so pick whatever you like. They are amazing in helping you to clean a surface to perfection by all the tiny pieces of fiber. One tip though, when you buy them, cut out the labels. These labels can be somewhat dangerous for your cleaning action by potentially leaving small scratches. So cut them off as precise as you can so you don't have to worry about them. Last but not least, we have a drying towel. This particular one is a microfiber drying towel. I haven't used these before, so I'm really curious about its capability to suck up the water and hold it. As you can see, it looks like a decent towel. It's quite large too. We'll see what it can do when we test it, but like all tools, it's a matter of preference. Some guys like to use fluffy towels, some like thin towels, some like leather towels, etc. etc. So just try it out and see if it works for you. Next up are all the products. So, the first product you'll need to clean your car is of course soap. Now what we have here is a 2-in-1 soap, meaning this soap will wash and wax your car in one step. It even mentions that it has carnauba wax inside. What is carnauba? Carnauba wax is actually an organic wax and comes from the carnauba palms in Brazil. Reading this on the label would indicate to me, as a newbie, that this is enough to maintain my car's paint. While it's good to use these 2-in-1s as your regular car soap, I will always recommend you put an extra layer of protection on your car. This can either be a separate layer of wax, a layer of sealant, or even a layer of coating. Next item, wheel cleaner. While you can use regular car soap to clean your wheels, I would always recommend using a dedicated wheel cleaner. Why? Your wheels are usually more dirty than a car's body, and the dirt tends to be more cooked on your wheels. Therefore, using a more powerful cleaner will help you clean your wheels more easily. And here's a handy tip. You can also use your wheel cleaner on your tires. It will clean your tire and will prepare it for the next product. Because after you've cleaned your wheels and car, there's one product that will show others you have detailed your ride, and that's tire dressing. It will make your tires pop and give it a nice shine as if your car just rolled out of the showroom. It also helps to keep your tires in shape and prevents the rubber from drying out. The next product is called bumper spray. This product is basically meant for all the plastic pieces on the car that aren't covered with paint. As the tire dressing, it will help to pop faded plastic and prevent the plastic from drying out. As I mentioned before, I always recommend adding an extra protection layer on top of your car's paint. That's why you always need a bottle of wax in your maintenance kit. This particular product is again a 2-in-1 product, so it will lightly polish the car's paint and wax it at the same time. So what is the difference between polishing and waxing? Very quick. A polish is meant to lightly scrub or sand the top layer of your car's paint, called the clear coat. So with polishing, you are able to smoothen out this top layer and thereby removing things like light scratches, swirls, holograms, etc. A wax, however, is meant to protect your car's paint and make it pop. From the outside of the car, we now enter the inside. This product is called Textile Cleaner. As it states, it will help you clean the textile inside of your car. So we should be able to use this product on all fabric items in our interior, meaning fabric of your seats, fabric on your door panels, the floor, the mats, etc. The next item is Cockpit spray. You use this on your dash and other plastic trims inside of your interior, such as door panels. It should clean and protect it, leaving some shine and giving you that fresh, detailed look inside of your interior. Now there were two items that I didn't buy, because I already had them at home. One item is glass cleaner. I don't think it really needs an explanation, but in short, you use it to clean your car glass inside as well as outside. It will help you to remove dirt and give you a clear view. And the very last item, but certainly not least, are gloves. Now there are a lot of people that don't use them. Whether you use them or not is of course up to you. But just bear in mind, you are cleaning a lot of dirt from your car using different chemicals. And if you don't wear gloves, they all come in contact with your skin. So for your own safety, I always recommend wearing some disposable gloves. So there you have it, my arsenal of products and tools for every car owner with a tight budget. I paid about 20 euros, which is about $22 to $23. In detailing terms, that is not a lot of money. Will all these items do the job? We'll see it in the next videos. I'm just as curious as you are. I hope you will join me on this detailing trip. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. For now, thank you for watching. I wish you all a great day. Take care.